This is the Nuvo student flute, and it's an instrument that quietly solves a lot of beginner problems before they even happen. Unlike traditional metal flutes, this one is designed specifically for students, especially young players, with durability, comfort, and confidence built right in. But I myself am no spring chicken. Nope, I'm a complete beginner, currently in her 50s, and this was still the right choice for me, first and foremost due to the wonderful, accessible price, but other considerations make it fabulous too. For one thing, it's fully waterproof. You can literally wash it with warm, soapy water, play it outdoors, even practice in humid conditions without worry. That's a huge benefit for beginners, or even schools, or places where you share instruments because it stays hygienic and forgiving. No panic over moisture damage or delicate pads. The silicone rubber pads and O-ring seals are tough, water resistant, and less fragile than traditional felt pads, which means fewer repairs and more time playing. Next, it's ergonomic. The right hand pinky keys are shaped for smaller hands, and my own hands are rather small. The action is smooth thanks to low friction stainless steel rods, and the D sharp keys sit on the main body, allowing students to play comfortably even without attaching the foot joint. The action is smooth thanks to low friction stainless steel rods, and the D sharp key sits on the main body, allowing students to play comfortably even without attaching the foot joint. Assembly is easy, alignment marks help with setup, and the whole instrument just feels unintimidating, which is exactly what a beginner flute should be. It's also much lighter than a traditional flute, which is an important feature for kids or seniors. And I don't define myself as a senior yet, but I appreciate that my arms get tired later rather than earlier with this thing. The most impressive thing to me about this affordable plastic flute, though, is that tone-wise, this flute sounds surprisingly serious. The head joint has a parabolic taper, which helps you get a stable projecting sound more easily across registers. So notes speak faster and feel more rewarding earlier on. I was really not expecting to be able to produce sounds that didn't sound terrible so quickly. And when more experienced players have tried my flute, well, I'm not an expert, but it sounded pretty good to me. Most of the time I place it on this stand here, which encourages me to pick it up more often. This is definitely a flute that encourages practice instead of punishing mistakes. It's durable, hygienic, thoughtfully designed, and genuinely musical. A great choice for beginners who want to focus on learning and enjoying music, not worrying about breaking their instrument. Recommend.